how to allow specific contacts and favorite contacts during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, scroll down and click on Do Not Disturb. After click on Do Not Disturb, scroll down and click on Calls and Messages. After click on Calls and Messages, so you will see also calls. Click on Calls and you will select all, contacts only, favorite contacts only, none. So I will click on favorite contacts only. After click on favorite contacts only, so you will see allow only shared allow only contacts. Click on add contacts, so you will add contacts from here. So after add contact, click on done. You will see, scroll down and click on messages and you will select all contacts only, favorite contacts only, and none. Click on favorite contacts only. After allow specific contacts, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow specific contacts, favorite contacts during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.